Hey, this is Dylan with Repair Spots, and today I'm going to be going over the main menu page. So here on the main menu, first you'll see the amount of repairs you have, the amount of orders, and the amount of appointments. Each one of these you can click and it will take you to their respective pages, repairs, appointments, or orders. Here we have the inventory where you'll be able to go here to go to the inventory option, and there you'll be able to manage your inventory. Down here are your quick actions in this panel on the right, where you can create a new sale, create a repair, create an appointment, an order, an unlock, set your priorities, or set the schedule to an employee. These are your quick repairs available that you've created. You'll be able to scroll left and right here to be able to choose what quick repair you want to go through and create a repair from. Pressing this plus will allow you to create a new quick repair. These here are your reminders. These will be any recent repairs or orders updated to the system. Here you'll have recent repairs alone, and here you'll have recent orders. This over here is your repair goal. It'll give you a graph on how far or how close you are to completing your monthly goal on either repairs or sales, depending on which you choose. Down here you can quickly scan using the camera of whatever device you're operating a POS off of to either find a repair, find a device, find a product, or find a sale. Up here on the top right, you see the Store and Repair Mode button. There you'll be able to change between Store Mode and Repair Mode to better use your application for the settings you're going to be using. You can check our video on Store and Repair Mode to know what those settings do. Here we have the Verify button to verify your store. And here on this bell, you'll be able to verify your shop and fill out a verification form. Following up with the Verify will complete that process. And there you have it.